Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to change candle color in TradingView. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open TradingView application. You can see over here TradingView has been opened. Initially, you'll be in the watch list interface. What you have to do is tap on the chart option that you can see at the bottom of your screen right next to the option watch list. Now you'll be led to the chart interface. You'll be able to see the chart over here. Initially, by default, the candlesticks on your chart will be in the color green and red. So if you want to change it, what you have to do is access the chart settings. For that, tap on the gear icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply scroll down, tap on the option more settings. Now you'll be able to find the settings for scales and lines. What you have to do is go back. Now you'll be able to access the settings options over here. Tap on the first option, that is symbol. Now over here you'll be able to find the section for candles. You'll be able to find three options over here: body, borders, wick. So if you want to change the color of body, what you have to do is look at the first option, that is body. Right now green color and red color is selected. So if you tap on the green color, you'll be able to find several colors over here. You're basically changing the color for the main body of the candlestick that is appearing green right now. So simply tap on the color of your choice. Similarly, tap on the second color. For me, that is red. Now you're basically changing the color for the main body of the candlestick that is appearing red right now. So simply tap on the color of your choice. The deal is same with the borders and wick too. So simply select the colors of your choice. You can see over here I'm selecting the colors. Now tap on the OK option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the color of candlesticks has been changed. So that is how you change candle color in TradingView. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.